Alright, here we go back to Loaves. I do stretch and folds here. You can see we're just going to grab onto the edge of that, pull up, pull up, and pull. There we go. See how it tore right there? That means it's not ready. You need to have good gluten development, and that needs a little bit more time. So this one, let's check this one out then. This one is far less tear, and see how it's got that window painting going on there? It tore a little bit. Could probably use a little bit more time. But what you want is you pull the dough apart and make like a window pane with it. You should be able to see through it, which means that you've got good gluten development, and you should be good with your stretch and folds at that point in time. So we're going to go ahead and give these a little bit more time. If you want to see examples of people showing what window painting looks like, there's tons of videos on YouTube that describe that. But for now, we're probably another 3 or 4 stretch and folds away from being finished here. And then after that, we're going to cover it, we're going to let it rest for between 4 and 6 hours. And then from there, I will show moving this loaf over to the Pullman tin, which is this guy here. We'll spray it with olive oil and we'll show moving it over there. And then the traditional loaf, we will let that one also ferment for 4 to 6 hours. We'll be moving that one over to a banneton, and that will give it that traditional shape. And we'll get into that in the next video.